Hello all, this is Pavitra. I posted some of puzzles on Instagram, right? Today I come up with the solutions for the puzzles. Let's begin the session. I'm going to start online classes. Those who really wants to crack all type of competitive exams, whether you are preparing for SSC or railways or campus placements, any type of competitive exams, or whether you are preparing for CAT or GATE, anything. You can attend a free demo for 3 days, then you can decide. In all topics, I will cover all topics from aptitude and reasoning, quants and reasoning. Weekly tests and complete doubt resolutions and based on latest patterns. Latest patterns I will explain. Only 2,999 rupees limited seats are available. If you have any queries, you can contact me at Rate of Aptitude Creators on Instagram. Moving forward to the question, study the information carefully and answer the given questions. There are 8 friends are seated around a circular table, 4 of them facing towards the center and 4 of them away from the center. And they like different fruits but not necessarily in the same order. Right? 8 friends. 8 friends. T faces towards the center. T faces towards the center and likes apple. Both the immediate neighbors of T faces away from the center and likes banana or avocado. Faces away from the center and likes banana or avocado. I am not fixing banana or avocado. S faces away from the center. Both the immediate neighbors of S do not face away from the center. T sits third to the right of you. T sits third to the right of you. And who likes apricot and faces away from the center. That is nothing but U likes apricot and U faces away from the center. There is nothing but here I am taking U is here. U I am taking here. Now it's third to the right of you. Third to the right of you. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Yes. Third to the right of you. You likes apricot. Why I am not taking here? Because outside. You likes. You faces outside the circle. Now this will become left and this will become right. Right. That's why I am taking. I am taking you is here. Next, R sits third to the left of you. R sits third to the left of you. That is nothing but here I am taking R. Now, third to the left of you. Third to the left of you. There is nothing but R can face inside the center. Inside the center. Next, third to the left of you. This is right and this is left. That's why I am taking R here. The one who likes banana sits opposite of you. Sits opposite of you. This is nothing but this is banana. Opposite of you, banana. The one, this is nothing but apricot. Avocado. Avocado. Both the immediate neighbors of T faces away from the center and likes banana or avocado. Banana is fixing because opposite of you is banana and this is avocado. Right? The one who likes mango is not immediate neighbors of you. Is not immediate neighbors of you. The one who likes mango is not immediate neighbors of you. Next, and faces away from the center. And faces away from the center. Okay. P sits second to the left of R. P sits second to the left of R. This is nothing but right and this is nothing but left with towards R. This is nothing but P. P sits second to the left of R. I does not like damson or plum. P does not like damson or plum. Right? Next, the one who likes damson sits between W and U. Sits between W and U. This is nothing but damson. Why I am not taking this side? Because W and U, this P does not like damson. That's why I am taking damson here. Next, W and U. Q faces away from the center and does not like mango. And does not like mango. Okay. Now, S faces away from the center. S faces away from the center. Both the immediate neighbors of S do not face away from the center. S faces away from the center, and both the immediate neighbors of S do not face away from the center. That is nothing but here I can take P as inside the center. Here I can take S. Here I can take S. Right now. here does not like damson does not like plum and does not like mango. That is nothing but here P can like left of the fruit. That is nothing but cherry. That is nothing but cherry. Now Q faces, this is S faces away from the center. S faces away from the center and both the immediate neighbors of S do not face away from the center. Do not face away from the center. And Q faces away from the center and does not like mango. And does not like mango. This is nothing but Q is like banana. Next, does not like mango. That is nothing but here left of the outsiding face. That is nothing but S. S likes mango. S likes mango. Then what is what about R? Left of the fruit is plum. Left of the fruit is plum. Now what is the left of the alphabet? That is V. Right? Moving forward to the questions, who among the following sits third to the right of V? Third to the right of V. Now V is here. This is left and this is right. Third to the right of V, that is nothing but S. Which of the following combinations is true? P apricot, not, no. U is apricot. Q avocado. Q is not avocado. W is avocado. V damson. Yes. Answer is option C. Which of the following likes cherry? P likes cherry. Answer is option B. If all the people made sit in alphabetical order, clockwise direction, starting with P, the position who among the following is same, including P. This is nothing but P clockwise direction, right? Clockwise direction. P, Q, R, S, T. T is same. Answer is option B. Which of the following statement is true about W? About W, okay. T, he sits a second to the left of you. He sits second to the left of you. Second to the left of you. Second to the left of you. This will become right. This will become left. No, he sits a right. This is not possible. He sits a third to the left of Q. Third to the left of Q. Where is Q? Yes. Third to the left, no. Second place. This is not possible. He likes either mango or banana. He likes either mango or banana. W likes avocado, not mango or banana. V and U, his immediate neighbors. No. T and V are immediate neighbors. His neighbors likes apple and damson. Yes, possible. Answer is option E. Moving forward to the next puzzle. There are 7 friends are there. 7 friends and 7 floors building, 7-floor building, but not necessarily in the same order. The lowermost floor building is numbered as 1 and uppermost topmost floor is numbered as 7. Each of them likes different company laptops like Samsung, Dell, Lenovo, etc. What is the condition? Only 3 people lives between R and D. Only 3 people lives between R and D. Only 3 people lives between R and D. R lives above D. D does not live on the lowermost floor. Lowermost floor. Right? Can I take R and can I take D? Between how many people? 3 people. 1, 2, 3. Yes. D does not live lowermost floor. That's why I am taking D here. Only 1 people live between R. Only 1 people live between R and who likes Lenovo? Who likes Lenovo? R and Lenovo. For R and Lenovo, only 1 people are there. Right? Next, the one who likes Sony lives on even number floor above the one who likes Lenovo. There is nothing but 6 is the even number. Who lives on 6th floor? Who likes on 6th floor? That is nothing but Sony. Next, only 2 people lives between N. Only 2 people lives between N and who likes Lenovo. N and only 2 people lives between N and who likes Lenovo. That is nothing but only 2 people. This is N. The one who likes Samsung lives immediately above N. This is Samsung. P lives immediately above S. P lives immediately above S. Right? Next, P does not like Lenovo. P does not like Lenovo. That is nothing but here I can take P. P does not like Lenovo. P and S. P and S. The one who likes HP lives on odd number floor below S. Odd number floor below S, that is nothing but 1 is the odd number. 1 is the odd number. HP. N does not like HP. N does not like HP. N does not like HP means N does not like HP. L leaves above M. L leaves above M. L M. Next, only one person leaves between. Only one person leaves between one who accer and the one who likes apple. L does not like accer. L does not like accer means D like accer and L like apple. N does not like Dell. That is nothing but R like Dell. Or likes Dell. Right? This is the information. Next, or likes which of the following laptop? Or likes which of the following laptop? Dell. Who leaves floor number 4? There is nothing but Apple. Answer is option A. Which of the following statement is true with respect to the arrangement? Only two people lives between D and N. D and N, no, not possible. Only the one who likes apple lives immediately above D. Yes, immediately above D. Yes, possible. M likes Lenovo, no. M likes HP. M leaves odd number floor, no. Even number floor, no. M likes odd number floor. Who? Answer is option B. If all the people are made sit in alphabetical order, top to bottom, alphabetical order, top to bottom, here from here to here, the positions how many people are remains unchanged. Okay, D, L, M, N, P, R, S. No one. Answer is none. Moving forward to the next question, which of the following combinations is true with respect to the arrangement? Right? Sony M, not Sony M. Sony is P and HP R. Where is HP? HP M. Answer D. Lenovo S. Yes. Answer is option D. Moving forward to the next puzzle. Study the information carefully and answer the given question. 7 friends or they like different fruits and different countries, but not necessarily in the same order. Right? E likes apple and pink. E likes apple and pink. Now here I am taking country and country. This is country and here I am taking fruit and here I am taking color. Okay. Now A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Next, E likes apple and pink. E likes apple and color pink. Next, A belongs to UK. A belongs to UK and he likes red color. C likes grapes but not likes blue. F likes lychee. The one who likes black belongs to Russia. Black belongs to Russia. The one who likes yellow and orange fruit. Yellow, orange fruit. D belongs to Pakistan and does not like mango. D belongs to Pakistan and does not like mango. The person from China and Australia do not like grapes. Do not like grapes. China and Australia. China and Australia do not like grapes. Either F or B likes a black color. F or B likes a black color. The person from India likes a banana. India likes a banana. G belongs to China. G belongs to China. Neither D nor G likes a blue or black color. D or G. Neither D nor G likes blue or green. G does not like papaya. G does not like papaya. And D does not like yellow. D does not like yellow. There is nothing but here I can take black and Russia. India banana. India banana. I can take India as here and banana here. Why I am taking India and banana here? Because of only two places country and fruit is two places is empty. That's why I am taking banana and India here. No. Next India banana is completed. Next yellow orange. Yellow orange. Yellow is nothing but color and orange is fruit. Yellow orange. I can take it does not like papaya. Does not like papaya. There is nothing but I can take yellow as here. Here I can't take because he doesn't like yellow. There is nothing but here I can take yellow and here I can take orange. Yellow and orange. Next. Yellow, orange, orange completed. Black, Russia. Black, Russia. Russia. Here. China and Australia. China and Australia. China and Australia. There is nothing but what is the left of China. Here China is there and Australia. Australia. What is the left of the US? US is left and US is left and Australia and Russia. What about Russia? B and F. B and F. Either B or F likes black color. Black color. That is nothing but here. I can't take black here because Russia likes black. There is nothing but here. Blank Russia. Here this is Russia and this is black color. Next. Here Australia does not like Australia. Australia and China. This is nothing but Australia and this is US. This is US. Next. What about does not like mango? D does not like mango. This is nothing but mango and what about left of the fruit? Papaya. Papaya. Next. Does not like blue color and B or D or G likes blue or green. Neither D nor G likes blue or green color. Blue or green color. Here I can't take blue here and here I can't take blue here because I can take blue only in box B. Right. Next. Yellow does not like yellow. Does not like yellow. There is nothing but here what is left of the colors is green and white. Green and white. D and G does not like green. There is nothing but here I can't take green. C is I am taking green. Next what about white? White. Moving forward to the questions. Which of the following person from Australia? Which of the following person from Australia? Australia. Where is Australia? Australia. E. Answer is option D. G likes which of the following fruit? G likes which of the following fruit? Orange fruit. Answer is option C. Which of the following combinations is incorrect? There is nothing but Australia, E, apple, pink. Yes, true, right? This is correct. Russia, G. Russia, G. This is not possible. Answer is option. This is not possible. Incorrect. Answer is option B. Moving forward to next. C likes which of the following color? C likes which of the following color? Green color. Which of the following? The one who likes mango. Which of the following color? Mango. Where is mango? Red. Answer is option A. Thank you. I hope it will be clear.